Okay, got my master locks finally back, and I thought it'd be fun to do some practicing with some bobby pins. And I figured, let's see if we can zip a couple of these open. Got the Brinks in the back there. I haven't tried that one yet with bobby pins, so I'm gonna give that a shot if I can do these in a reasonable amount of time. I think the hardest part is getting the tensioning set up just right. Other than that, it goes pretty quick. Alright, let's go for the Brinks. Is Grammy coming today? Nah. Actually, I think she is. Alright, let's see about this Brinks. Oh, nothing. Easy peasy.